Tingnan niyo yung baha guys, oh. Laki na. Yan. Wow.
Yep, all the sticks are washed up on the fence. The water does a lot of damage.
So the water from here to go there because the
Don't go
ground.
that way, yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna get too high.
This branchy little thing.
Yeah. Bananas. Oh, banana here. Yeah. Wow, look at the water here.
What is going too high up here?
The crocodile on the ground.
Oh no. Hey, no, those houses can.
What's that?
Yes,
Whoa,
oh.
the gas bottle. Whoa, that's
Mm.
heavy. The flood
Could be empty,
here.
man, could be empty.
Look, you can see the banana here now.
That's because all the trees falling down.
Look at this, babe. The branch, the trees there behind.
Yeah,
Yep, they fall down.
yeah.
That's
Look.
just Stan did it.
Stan did it.